A picture is worth 1,000 words, and on a promotional flyer, the right image can be the difference between a conversion and the trash bin. Hey everyone! Let's discuss how to properly select and place imagery within your Canva poster designs. Canva gives you access to millions of premium stock photos, illustrations, and vector shapes directly inside the Elements tab. To create a striking visual anchor, look for a single, high-impact image rather than cluttering your flyer with 10 small photos. Once you find the perfect photo, don't just slap it onto the canvas loosely. Instead, search for frames or grids in